Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belle and today we are going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the March box, and if you have not heard of Boxycharm before, it is a monthly subscription box that is $21 per month. They will send you 4 to 5 full-size products to try. I feel like you cannot go wrong with 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month. So I highly recommend you subscribe to this box. So without further ado, let's get this box open. The first thing in this box, is this card telling you the theme of the month, which is vacation. So it looks like it's gonna be very colorful and spring, summery. Super excited. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. Ooh, let's talk about this first. This is the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. These are $10 retail price. They soften and moisturize and ensure that you look rested and refreshed. So on the instructions it says to leave on for 30 minutes. I'm not gonna do that on camera today, even though I'm gonna try everything else out. So I already have my makeup on. I think I will try this out either tonight or tomorrow morning and then just give you an update of what I think in the description box below. But this says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area, which is very handy. I feel like the older I get, the more dark circles I am getting recently. So very excited to, wow, I just threw that across the room. But yeah, very excited to try these eye masks out. So the next thing in the box is this. Looks like a blush, and it's gold, and it's beautiful. Look at that packaging. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. This retails for $26. This silky smooth formula is long-wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired with a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. Wow, that is pigmented. And this is in the shade 18 Hush Blush. I feel like this actually has the perfect amount of pigmentation. It's not too pigmented, but not too sheer either, and it applies really smoothly and evenly. Really liking that so far. So yeah, I really like the pigmentation and the shade of this blush. It's beautiful. Definitely very buildable. I did go a little more heavy-handed than I normally do for a blush just to kind of show you. But yeah, I'm digging this blush. Alright, moving on to the next item in the box. I do see there's a mascara in here, but we are going to skip that and go for something else since I usually do mascaras pretty late in my makeup routine. Looks like these are brushes. Okay. This is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smokey Eye Makeup Brush Set. This retails for $23.15. Okay, these brushes are cute. This one's probably going to be great for lower lash line. I definitely can use this as like a smudger on the lower lash line. This one's kind of more like an angled blending brush, which I don't really have a brush like this, but I'm excited to try it out because it might actually work pretty well for my eye shape. And this one's kind of just like a shader brush. It's kind of boxy. I don't know. Let's test them out with the eyeshadow palette that will be the next item I open. So this is the next item in the box, and it's a palette, and it's just kind of packaged in this blank white sleeve right now. It is a Boxycharm and Pur palette. I definitely like Pur as a brand. So super excited to see what they've collabed with Boxycharm. Here's what the palette looks like on the outside, and oh, that inside plastic thing just fell out. Okay, here's what the palette looks like on the inside. Ooh, Wow, I love how colorful this palette is. I didn't want to do a hugely colorful look today because I do need to go somewhere and I need to do it quick too. So I'm probably gonna make a separate video with this blue and this magenta and these beautiful pinky, mauvey, rosy colors. Today I think I'm just gonna go for something kind of natural with this palette because there are, you know, a few pretty neutral shades. These ones right here. This is a Pur Eyeshadow Palette. Retail price is $36. So I'm going to go in with this fluffy angled blending brush, and I'm gonna go into, let's go into Belle right here. Not really sure how I feel about this brush. I think I would way prefer just a regular round blending brush to this angled type thing, but it does create like an easier like outer corner because it's angled like that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Belle with the shorter shader brush and go into my lower lash line with that as well. And I really like this brush a lot better than that other one. I'm gonna go into Charmer with this bigger shader brush and kind of just pack that metallic-y shadow onto my lids. Focusing on the inner area of my lids. So I do want to deepen up the outer corners a little bit, so I'm going to grab just a tiny bit of Duet right here. Just gonna work that into my outer corner. I feel like I am so bad at doing outer corners. Whenever I try to put a darker color into my outer corners, it just like muddies it all up and it doesn't look good. And why did I do that? So I'm just gonna leave it. Blend a little bit of that darker shade too into my lower lash line. And I kind of want to add a little more of that first pink shade that we used back in, just because I feel like I lost it a little bit once I put in Charmer on top. So I'm going to go in with a regular blending brush and just kind of add that back into my crease. This brush is way better. Yeah. I think that it's these brushes, honestly, that are messing me up. Not a big fan of these brushes. Alright, I went ahead and curled my lashes, tight lined a little bit, so we are now ready for the last item in the box, which is this mascara. This is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. The Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This is $20 retail price. Get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. This is a giant mascara tube. I kind of like it. It says that it curls specifically, so it says we're going to get thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. So I usually never buy mascaras that are not waterproof because any non-waterproof mascara will just make my lashes wilt like that. Let's see if this solves that problem. Is this going to do the same? Or since it's 314% more curl, am I going to actually see more curl? Let's find out. Okay, definitely see some good volume going on there. Lashes are not quite wilting just yet. Alright, there's coat number one. So far, no wilting. Huh. I am impressed. If it didn't wilt with the first coat, the second coat is definitely where my lashes will usually wilt, so here comes the true test. coat number 2. So far, so good. I am really surprised right now. This is kind of amazing. Alright, that is 2 coats of this double-decker mascara, and I am thoroughly impressed because my curl is staying up and no non-waterproof mascara has ever done that. So what is going on? So I am super impressed with this mascara. It kept my curl and it gives great length, great volume. This mascara gives me hope that there are non-waterproof mascaras out there that I can wear and take off easily every night, but still will keep my lashes curled. Oh my god, I am so excited. This is like a new discovery. It's like a miracle in a bottle. Okay. So that was everything in my box. Obviously, I really liked this mascara. I also really like this palette, and I cannot wait to keep using it. The colors in here are absolutely beautiful, and the formula seems great so far. Oh my god, did I just poke something? I just poked something. Stuck my finger into squad. God. I was going to do a testing out new makeup video like next week or something, and I think I might use this palette in that video as eyeshadow, just because I haven't tried most of these yet and I want to give these a shot. So I might do a bit more of an experimental look on that video with this palette. Other than that, the blush, I really enjoy the blush and I cannot wait to keep using it. It is beautiful. I mean, look at that, it's beautiful. These brushes were definitely not my favorite item in the box. I do like the little tiny, dropping things again. Do like this little tiny shader brush, which is great for the lower lash line, but other than that, I mean, this shader brush is pretty, you know, pretty standard for packing on eyeshadow, but I don't really like that blending brush quite so much. I feel like they just don't pick up that much product, because when I first used this, it was giving me a super sheer wash of color, and then when I used my other blending brush, this, what is this? This Luxie blending brush, it gave way more color payoff. So, not super thrilled with these brushes, but everything else in the box is superb. And the eye masks I have not tried yet, but I will definitely give these a try. I really hope they work, because I could really use some reduced puffiness and reduced dark circles. Alrighty guys, that was it for my Boxycharm unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. My Instagram is @BelEthereal, so hit me up there. I am going to be posting some swatches of the palette. I'll probably swatch every color in the palette on my Instagram. So that is it. Until next time, please have a wonderful day today, and I will see you later. Bye-bye, guys. Alrighty, moving on to... Oh my god, I'm dropping things everywhere. Gosh, there's stickers on both sides. Come on, just let me open it. I hate sticky stuff. So I am super... God, I am just like throwing things all over the place today. It gives great length, great volume, and I'm gonna sneeze. Okay.